What's up, y'all? It's your girl Déja Nikira. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is how I get these top knot buns. So right now I'm just going in and I'm sectioning off my frontal. So I'm just literally separating the frontal from the rest of the unit, and I'm gonna tie that up in the back so that I can work on the buns in the front without extra hair in the way. So you're gonna wanna split your hair in half because we're gonna have two buns, one on each side. You just wanna smooth it out with a brush or comb, and then using a black rubber band, scrunchie, whatever you prefer, but I prefer a black rubber band because you're going to have quite a few things go on this bun. Just to secure that and make a ponytail, you're gonna do one on each side. Okay, so we have our two ponytails, and as you can see, they're super thin, so you're going to need some braiding hair. So I'm going to take one section right out of the pack, just exactly the way it is, use the rubber band attached to the hair, and simply connect that to your ponytail. So you're going to use the rubber band that's attached to the braiding hair to secure the braiding hair to your ponytail. Once the braiding hair is secure, you're just going to wrap the braiding hair around the frontal ponytail, and you're just going to give it a couple twists just to make sure that it's secure, and then you're going to take the hair and wrap it around itself. So you want to make one circle, and then you're going to continue to wrap and make a bun while you twist the hair. So you want the hair itself to be twisted while you're making the bun. You don't want the hair to be flat, you don't want the hair to be poofy, you want the hair to be twisted in order to get that knot effect, that layering knot effect. Once you reach the tail end of the bun, you're just going to take it and wrap it around tightly so that it doesn't come out. You can use bobby pins to secure it, or you can go in with a scrunchie and tie it around the base of the bun to make sure that the bun doesn't come out. Whatever you prefer, hey, go ahead, do what works for you. Oh, sidebar, this bun might get kind of tight with the twisting motion and you're pulling the hair in essence, so you might have to take it out and do it again without creating the bun so tight. I just want to give you that little disclaimer. So again, we're going to go on the other side, and before I said you want to twist the hair while making the bun and the twisting motion. I know this sounds so confusing. I really don't know how else to explain it, but while you're doing that twisting motion, I said you wanted to layer it, but you really want to make it look like it's stacked. Layering was a bad choice of words. You want to make it look like it's stacked, so when you're doing the twist, you want to pull the bottom strand underneath that next layer. So you always want to go underneath the next layer, to get that stacking effect. And then secure your bun, and you're going to add another bun in the back of your head. This part is completely optional. You don't have to have the sideburns. You can, you don't have to. You can curl them, you don't have to. You can slick them down, you don't have to. Whatever you like, that's what you go ahead and do. A completely optional step are adding chopsticks. It depends on what fit you have, what look you're going for. You're just going to take two chopsticks, stick them in the bun, do the crossing effect, and voila, you are finished. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop over there and give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let me know what else you want to see, and like always, guys, stay cute and stay blessed. Till next time.